What's up?
The ceiling?
Apparently, not you.
Alright. First of all, I'm a little shocked, okay? Just a little. About to be a lot soon, but the thing is...
Not yet.
I ain't shocked yet, boy.
How much money do you want?
$2 million.
I don't got it. I don't got it. I want to pay it anyway. Alright.
Now tell him what's going to happen to you.
I've been bonded. No, I've been tied to this chair. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you better love me for this, because I swear to God, this is going to be fucking torture. They're going to grab that sock machine over there and use it on me. Me.
Hey, do that again. There you go.
Right here.
Yes.
You see my face? Normally
Yes.
I'm happy. No, fucking.
Okay. So are we ready to commence?
No.
Okay, who's gonna do this?
I will. I will. If you guys
He's
will.
like, I will.
I will.
Hold up.
As you well can see, this is a very real instrument.
This man can handle pain. This man cannot. We ready?
Yo. After all this shit we've been through. Oh my God! Oh, let me out! This fucking dude's crazy! Ah!
Shall we commence?
No!
We shall.
What?
We shall.
I have one word to say. No, please. Just one.
Last word.
One word! 2 words!
What, fuck off?
Fuck you!
Let's do this.
No! Fuck! Shit.
John, hold the chair steady.
What? Ow! Oh! It really does hurt. Ow! 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 Wait! I'll tell you, my mom's life savings number. Just don't fucking shock me. It's 1349. Okay. Oh, my fucking finger. You bitch. Okay, like, I'm sorry. My fucking feet.
Let John have some fun with it.
What? Alright! I'll go to church! I'll pray! Wait! I have something.
You okay?
No! I'm not okay! 911! 911! Ow! Oh! Woo! You bastard!
Alright.
You want to have some fun? Okay.
Okay, Dad, you hold the chair.
Okay. Wait. I have something to say, bro. I have...
He may take a bribe.
Dude, my body feels like been stung by 100 bees. That's not what I wanted to say, though.
Hurry it up.
After all this shit I put you through. Wait.
Yeah, think about that.
Whoa. I didn't mean that! I I meant to say all this good things I did for you! No!
Hey, Thomas. Hold on, Thomas. Remember how I told you you were going to wait till your wedding for me to get back at you for those games?
Yes! Ah!
Ow.
Ow! Hands down! We'll get her down.
Hands up!
Ow!
Heads up, 7-Up, bitch.
Ow! That really fucking hurts. Ow! Oh, my shoulder. I can't touch it. Wait.
Right here?
Calm down. No!
Right.
No!
Right.
No! Fuck you! Please!
It can't be that bad. Okay.
You pussy! Wait, I'm sorry! Ow! Wait! No, not my ass! Oh! Get the fuck away! Okay! Alright, wait! Not my nuts! Not my nuts! No! You bastard! Alright! Wait! I have some in my pocket!
Okay.
It's a present. If you promise to let me go, I'll let you have it.
Okay.
You okay? You promise?
Let's see the present first.
Let's see what it is.
It's in my pocket. You said you let me go! Oh! You said you let me go!
I lied!
Fuck! Oh, fuck! No! Okay! You fat bastard!
Yeah, you deserve this!
No! I don't!
Yeah.
I will eat hot sauce and pickles this time! Okay, wait.
Hot sauce and pickles.
I have something else to say.
Hold on.
We'll make you do that anyway.
Yeah, I'm a little shocked here, man.
Little? Oh, yes, he is.
I can't. The blood is rushing down my body. I can feel it. All right, dude. What do you want? Oh, the fuck is getting close, man. Hold on, wait. Ow, stop. I have one word to say.
That's it.
Oh, fuck you! Oh, fuck me! That doesn't sound right! What the fuck, yo! Don't fuck me! Ah, don't shock me! Oh, this ain't no dialogue anymore!
You want to try?
Oh, yes.
Oh, no, wait. Chris, I've been there for you, man.
I know you have.
I know, I have done a lot
It's
for you.
not personal.
It's business!
Listen. It's nothing personal.
Oh, one more. You don't want to do this.
Just listen. It's nothing personal. It's just business.
Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! My baby! No! Wait. Oh, dude!
Wait, I gotta do it.
No. Oh, shit! Oh! Okay.
Okay, I think I'm about done.
No way!
Now, Thomas, we've got a surprise for you.
Why give me one?
Besides that...
Fucking dick! Ouch!
Okay, you're unplugged now. Now...
Wait, I have something to say!
Well, hold on. We've got a surprise for you, and we've got 30 seconds left. Next episode of Tommy Bird, you get to have your revenge. You get to shock someone.
Yes!
Yes. Next week on Tommy Bird.
Oh, yeah!